Hello guys. Today I will show you how to change your Discord tag without having Nitro. So let's start. So here, we have our Dinobot. Its invite link will be in the description. Now we will type this command to show us who has the same tag as ours. Here you see that these Discord users has same tag as ours. Now we're going to take one of the names. Then come here and edit your name. Paste the name you copied. Type your password and click on Done. Here you see that my tag is changed. Now if you want, you can change your name back and you will still have the tag. That's how you can change your Discord tag. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.